Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I did a Boxycharm unboxing and tutorial using the March 2018 box. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so in this month's Boxycharm for March 2018, they sent me the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. So I'm going to be incorporating this. They sent me the Pretty Vulgar blush, and this one is in the shade Hush Blush, so it's the darker one. So I also got these under eye gels, which I won't be using in the video just because it says to leave on for 30 minutes. And I don't really feel like leaving them on for 30 minutes, but they sent 3 packs of under eye gels, and it says to use them consecutively. So they sent this Smokey Eye Brush Set, that's what it's called, and it comes with 3 brushes. Okay, so there's step 1 for the money, which is like a flat shader brush. This kind of looks like the Kylie Cosmetics brushes, but they're not, $300. And then this is, I guess, like an angled crease brush, like fluffy brush. And then lastly, they sent a smudging brush or a flat shader brush. So that's cool. I love that they send brushes like literally in almost every box. And the last thing that they sent is their palette collab with Pure Cosmetics. And this palette, I honestly think it's so pretty. So it looks like this. Like the colors in here are so pretty. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so to start this look off, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face and add a primer. So I'm just gonna add some eye cream. I'm just using the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream because everyone needs eye cream and I don't want wrinkles. So since this is a Boxycharm like unboxing and tutorial, I'm going to speed up me doing my makeup with products that are not Boxycharm. So like I did my eye cream, but I'm gonna speed up everything else, and I'll only talk when I'm talking about like a Boxycharm product, so I could like review it at the same time, if that makes sense. Alright, so I did my base and everything off camera. So I did my brows, my concealer, my foundation, and my eyeshadow base off camera, and I added a little bit of liquid highlighter off camera as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this tutorial by using the Boxycharm Pure Cosmetics collab palette, and I'm going to use this brush which they sent. It's the fluffy angled brush. I'm gonna see if this works in the crease because I'm gonna try to use the products like that they sent, like all the products they sent. So the first shade I'm gonna dip into is this one right here, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So, oh, it's really pigmented. Like I barely tapped my brush. So far it's really pigmented, which I like. The brush is a little stiff, like it's fluffy and stuff, but I wouldn't necessarily use this in my crease. So using the same brush, this is just a step 2 angle brush. I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is this hot pink one. And I'm going to place that slightly below the transition shade, and this is going to be like the main color on the eye. So once again, like you don't really have to dip in that much because it's so pigmented, but just place it. Oh yeah, it's really pigmented. Right beneath the transition shade, and blend the two together, and once again bringing the color all the way in. So I'm going to do one more layer of this pink color. So I'm just going to dip in one more time and just make it a little brighter. I'm just going to cut my crease halfway. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape to do so. I brought the concealer all the way down because I want a clean lid for the next shade that I'm going to place on top. To take this brush, the Step 1 brush that they sent, and I'm going to dip into the shade Charmer, which is this one right here. So now I'm going to go back in with the first brush where we picked up the pink, and I'm going to pick up that pink again and go over the shimmer shade because I feel like we lost some of that transition color, and I'm just going to blend the two together. Go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to pick up the flat brush that we used for the lid, and I'm going to pack that on the outer part of the lid. And next I'm just going to take like a fluffy brush like this one, and I dipped it into the color Duet, which is this brown, so I'm just going to tap it lightly in the outer V area to kind of deepen the look a little bit. And then taking this flat shader brush that also came in the Boxycharm set, this one is Step 3, I'm just going to pick up the champagne color and pop that on my brow bone. So now that I've applied winged liner off camera, I'm just going to try out this Double Decker Lashes Mascara from Butter London, which is the one that they sent me in my box. This is what the wand looks like, by the way. So for this look, I'm just going to use Wispies from Ardell, and I'm going to place those off camera really quick, and I'll be right back, and we can try out what's left to try out. I think just the blush is left because I didn't do the patches, so just the blush. I just finished putting on my falsies off camera, so I'm gonna finish up the eye look super quick by taking the Step 3 brush, which is once again the shader brush, and I'm going to dip it into the pink shade called BFF, and we're just going to smudge that on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take the champagne color that we used all over the lid, and I'm going to be placing that on the inner corner to highlight. And then I'm going to be taking the Double Decker mascara and adding that to my lower lashes. Alright, so for the face, I'm going to use this fluffy crown brush, and this came in my Ipsy bag last month, I believe, and I'm going to take my NYC Sunny Bronzer to warm up my face. I'm going to take the smaller crown brush that they sent in my BoxyCharm last month, and I'm going to pick up the blush that they sent in this month's box. Once again, this is the Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade 18 Hush Blush. It's like a really pretty matte color. And I'm just going to apply, whoa, it's pigmented. She is pigmented. And I'm just going to place this on my cheeks. Alright, so to complete the look, I'm going to be adding highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm going to use is actually in this Pure Cosmetics palette that they sent in my Boxycharm like 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm going to be using the middle shade. For lips, I'm just going to use this Jouer matte lipstick in the shade Naked. Lastly, to set my face and set my makeup, I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu Cucumber Facial Spray. the completed look using the March 2018 Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!